Hello, my name is Rajan Arora and welcome to my video series Insights of Cloud Computing. You are watching the video of Module 2 Basics of Cloud Computing Part 3 Features of a Cloud. If you are new to this series, please start it from the series overview video for better understanding. Thank you. So, when it comes to the features of a cloud, what exactly is a cloud? Well, a cloud is elastic, meaning it can scale up or scale down. Think of Elastic Man like a superhero. His arms and legs can scale up and scale down as needed. They stretch in and out as needed, and a cloud in the same way. You never hear about Amazon Web Services or Microsoft Azure or Gmail running out of space, right? Now, you might run out of space in your own personal Gmail account based on what you pay for. But Google, who owns Gmail, they don't ever seem to run out of space or capacity. They seem to be able to infinitely scale up, but they could also scale down if needed. Now, if you were to use some cloud computing resources, basically you pay for what you need to use, and in most cases, those resources are available infinitely for you. And if you don't need as many as resources next month, you can scale those resources down. It's not your problem to have to deal with. You don't have to think about what resources are available in the cloud. You are just able to consume the resources that you need when you need them and to get rid of them when you don't. It's that easy. The cloud is also metered, meaning you only pay for what you use. So, there are no long-term contracts in most cases, and in most cases, you just pay by the minute or by the computing resources. Whatever it is, you are able to pay in very small increments, just like your electricity utility or your water services. You pay for what you use and no more. That means that it is very easy to use the cloud. Put it on your credit card. It might not cost you but a few dollars to use the cloud for, let's say, a day. It is a small service, and when you are done with it, you just get rid of that service and you no longer pay for it. And then a cloud is self-service, meaning there is a reduced need for IT expert. So let's say that I need a brand new web server and I am going to run it in the cloud. I don't have to go talk to my IT manager. I don't have to talk to the server admin. He doesn't have to spec out the server, order it from, let's say, HP or Dell, get the server in rack and stack it, and hook it up to the UPS, connect it to the network, install the operating system, install the web server, install the database, and then maintain and upgrade it forever. With the cloud, I don't need any of those people, and I don't need to consume their time, which costs the company money. I just simply with a few clicks provision a web server and I am able to run the application that I need to run. I put it on my credit card, I pay a few cents per minute to consume it, for example, and I can scale up and add as many more web servers as I need. And when I don't need them, I can simply delete them and take them off my account. So those are some of the features of the cloud that you need to be aware of and that you need to be on the lookout for when identifying what cloud computing is and is not. Now, for understanding, you must also be able to answer these questions. First of all, where are my applications running? Traditionally, you would purchase an application. Let's say you would go to your local computer store and you would buy an application on maybe CDs, right? You would bring that home, you would install the application and you would run it locally on your computer inside your desktop or laptop computer. On your operating system, you have this application, you have a little database, and let's say it's a financial application. You run that application locally and store the data locally. When the new upgrade comes out, you have to purchase that upgrade from the manufacturer. Again, get the CD disk, install it and upgrade your own application. That might only happen, let's say, once a year, if that. You also have to protect yourself from data loss, so you have to do backups and keep those backups off-site. With cloud computing, you simply access an already installed application over in the cloud in someone else's data center, and they are responsible for installing the application, upgrading the application, maintaining the application, and protecting your data. All you have to do is pay a simple monthly fee. You never seem to run out of disk space to store your data. It's infinite as long as you pay for the capacity that you use. So that's how it works with cloud computing. Your applications aren't running locally. They are running off-site, off-premises in the cloud. Another thing to think about is your data. Where is your data stored? And this is really the same answer as the application, right? If your application is running in the cloud, in most cases your data is also stored with the application, and so that's something to keep in mind. What would happen if the cloud provider went out of service or they were unavailable for a few days? Your applications and your data would also be unavailable. So these are some of the risks to consider, and again we will talk about those soon. But as you can see, there are also so many benefits to consider. You never had to purchase that application, you never had to install it, you don't have to protect that application's data, you don't have to even upgrade that application. Better yet, you don't even have to purchase an upgrade because you simply pay the monthly fee and the application is magically upgraded and new features are available in most cases much more frequently than, let's say, once a year as with a traditional package software design.
If you like this video, please do share, like and subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Thank you and see you in the next video.